Hey Vicky, this is John, West Coast Connects. We reached out. We're told you were the one that would probably watch this video. Just want to keep it pretty short and sweet. Don't want to waste your time, but want to show you a couple of tips you can do to increase customer flow and traffic to your website. And all I ask is that at the end, if you could, send me some feedback, whether that be via email, text, phone call. I just would love to hear your thoughts. So, with that, I'll get started. My first tip, and your site looks great and it's put together well. You're ranking on keywords. You have a pretty strong site. You're getting a little bit of traffic, but the biggest issue I see, and one that I would definitely look to do, is to add content to your site. And content is anything you can highlight, whether that be text, pictures. And the reason why you want content is you want to be able to, is twofold really. The first is you want to be able to be found for specific keywords. So, like for instance, you got your insurance restoration, fire damage, mold remediation. But say I wanted to be found for, let's see, one of the keywords was water damage repair Las Vegas. Okay, that might be one of my headings. I might have that in my text. I might even save, some of these images as that particular. So that's a link. Let's go up here to your. So say I wanted to save that. Oh, it did it again. Say I wanted to save this image instead of as a it's probably saved as logo or something. Say I wanted to save it as a keyword, I would save it as that water damaged Las Vegas. So really, it's a great way of going after your competitors' traffic. So like one of your competitors is Service Master Restore, another one is Ultimate Choice Restoration. Say Service Master Restore, they have 100 searches a month for their particular business. You can save one of these images as Service Master Restore, and hopefully get some of the traffic that was meant for them. So there's a lot of things you can do in terms of content, but that's definitely one of them. Uh, the second reason content is so important is because it's a ranking factor. So Google uses content to rank websites, and that's one of the reasons why Wikipedia is at the top of almost every every page for whatever they do, is because there's so much text, there's so many pictures. They just beat everybody up. So that's one of my tips, and showing you why. If I highlight all your text and copy and put it in this word counter, okay, put it in, and it's saying that you have 543 words. All right. And typically, what you want anywhere from 1,000 to 1,500 words, typically on a home page. But if I look at one of your competitors, I have to go down at the bottom. So let's start here. All right. And I do the same thing and I highlight their page. Okay. And look at how much they have, almost 2,000 words. So, it really, there's a reason why they're ranked so high on this particular keyword. As you can see there, where are they at? Water damage Las Vegas. They're right here. And you're not on that first page. So I want to say you're on the second page. So that's one big ranking factor. I went to Ultimate Choice, and they're doing stuff too. So, since they're at 1,800, I would recommend putting 2,000 words minimum on your site, maybe even 2,500, just because uh, you know you want to kind of really beat them pretty good, so that Google has no choice but to rank you over them. Okay. Um, my second tip would be to optimize and update your Google My Business. So when I looked at that water damage repair Las Vegas, which you are ranking in, I put in the one that you're ranking, on the second page. So you are ranking there. Your Google My Business listing didn't come up, and you really want that to show up because it just adds to the traffic that you can get. If you see here, a lot of these guys have a lot of different They have a lot of Google or Google reviews, 119, 114. They're at a 5.0 and a 4.7. Whereas you guys are at a 4.1. So it's quality and quantity. Definitely build those up. Photos, we want them optimized with keywords like I was talking about with your homepage. And then citations. And citations are just the amount of times this is out on the web. Um, it just takes a while to build up. But I definitely would build that up so that you can start getting traffic there. And then my third tip would be to continue to build up the strength of your site. And here's what this looks like. I'm gonna go through this with you. This is the strength of your site right here. It's on a 0 to 100 scale, with 0 being the weakest and 100 being the strongest. So 20 in the 20s isn't bad. You're doing pretty good. You really want this to be a 1-to-1 ratio if possible, but it's pretty close. You have 79 websites that are or domains that are referring 676 links back to your site. Okay, you're ranking in the top 100 in 100 keywords. You're getting 36 traffic a month, and I would have to spend $377 in Google Ads to get the same amount of traffic, or at least that's what they're estimating. Okay, and looking at most of your traffic's coming from your name. You get a couple hits from water damage, but that's because you're on the second page. Again, water damage, you're on the second page. Um, you definitely want to move up, and how you do that once you build your site up, um, you know, with your content and build it up. Like you should be blowing both of these companies out the water, primarily because your site is much stronger, but because of the content, it's not there. Your backlinks might not have the correct anchor text. So there's a lot of ways in which you can boost yourself up, but there really should be no reason why you can't start, get on that first page and start outranking other companies, and do so in a quick, short fashion. So if you need somebody that can definitely help you and boost you guys up to where you're on that first page, getting a lot more traffic, please reach out. We'd love to help you. Um, it definitely is something that shouldn't take too long. I would say, within a couple of months, you probably will see yourself on the first page and probably getting a lot of this traffic. I mean, look at their traffic value compared to yours, $4,400 and 5,900. And again, your site is stronger, but they're just doing a couple things a little bit better. So, we'd love to help you. We'd love to work with your company and really get some of that traffic into you. So uh, have a great day, and please reach out. We'd love to help. And God bless.